How to find your Discover on Hacoo SaraMart application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to discover or see all of your likes, saves on the Hacoo SaraMart application, here are the process. First of all, launch your Hacoo application and then log in using your credentials. First and foremost, you can view the Home tab and see different types of sections. Tap on the Home from the above categories to see your discoveries. Additionally, you can tap on the profile icon. There are 4 specific tabs such as Post, Saved, Liked, and Viewed. From here, you can see all of your discoveries till date. Likewise, you can even tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner to see your liked stores as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.